So Pablo, we've made the pasta puttanesca and we've made the garlic bread. How about a salad next?
Salad?
Arugula salad with some Parmesan and walnuts. What do you think?
That sounds awesome. Even better.
Okay. When I first started working as a teenager, one of my first jobs was a summer gig at McDonald's, and they started me off making the fries. And I hated that job because I was over the hot oil and the oil would get all over me. And I'd go home and I'd feel like a big, giant, greasy French fry. And it would just, I couldn't even get the smell out of my hair no matter how many times I shampooed. I was much, much happier when I got promoted to making salads because I got to be in the back of the restaurant nearby the walk-in refrigerator and freezer where it was nice and cool and I could be away from the teeming hordes of the lunch and dinner rushes and just make salads the whole time. And I loved it. The slicing, the dicing, the mixing, the tossing, the packaging up. And I loved all of that. And I still love to make a salad because I feel like I get like into this Zen meditative state while I'm making it. It's very relaxing for me. Anyway, when I was growing up, every single salad we had was iceberg lettuce, cardboard tasting supermarket tomatoes with homemade vinaigrette, red wine vinegar, olive oil, and a whole bunch of dried oregano. I still love me that salad. I still love it. We had it almost every night, and I still make it from time to time. But a whole new world opened up for me once I began trying different lettuces. Padrino and I used to order this salad fairly regularly from a nearby restaurant until one night our food came with staples in it. That ain't cool. After that, we decided to start making the salad at home. And I hereby guarantee that this salad is certified staple-free. Let me know in the comments below if you give this a try, and also what your favorite lettuce is. And here we go. Mangiamo. Let's eat. It's arugula salad time. Okay, Pablo, we're almost done with everything. We've done the pasta puttanesca, we've done the garlic bread, we've done the salad, and now it's time for the raspberry sorbet. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Freddy.
All right, then let's go do that in the next video.